Hi everyone, welcome back to MadeEasy. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create one of the most essential visuals in Microsoft Power BI, the card visual. A card visual is designed to highlight a single high-priority metric. Instead of forcing viewers to scroll through rows of raw data or dissect complex charts, it gives decision-makers key numbers at a single glance. Whether you're building a sales dashboard, an executive summary, or a quick KPI overview, card visuals are an absolute must-have in your reports. Let's dive right in. To follow along, I've already loaded the Sample Superstore dataset into Power BI. This dataset includes everyday business data, like customer orders, sales, profit, discounts, and regions. Today, our goal is to use this data to build a set of clean, professional KPI cards. First, let's create a card that displays our total sales. Head over to the Visualizations pane and click on the Card Visual icon to place an empty card onto your canvas. Next, drag the Sales field directly into the Value section. Power BI instantly sums up the data and displays our overall sales number right on the card. Instead of scanning thousands of individual transactions, users get an immediate, high-level summary of performance. Next, let's polish the look of our card so it looks clean and readable. Click on the Format Your Visual tab in the Visualizations pane. Under the Callout value settings, bump up the text size to make that core number really pop. Then turn on the title section and rename it to Total Sales. From here, feel free to customize the font style, colors, alignment, or even add custom icons to match your dashboard theme. A clean, consistent design makes your entire report look far more professional. While you can technically add multiple fields into a single card, like adding profit alongside sales, it can introduce limitations when customizing. For a cleaner layout, it's best to keep each metric in its own separate card. Instead of building every card from scratch, we can speed up our workflow by duplicating them. Copy and paste your sales card onto the canvas to create a second one. Swap out the sales field for the profit and update the title to Total Profit. Let's repeat that step one more time. Duplicate the card, replace the field with quantity, and update the title to Total Quantity Sold. Just like that, in a few clicks, we now have 3 core KPIs sitting neatly side by side. Sometimes you need to count occurrences rather than sum up dollar amounts or unit quantities. To see how many orders were processed, add a new card visual to the canvas and drag in the Order ID field. Click the drop-down arrow next to the field name and switch the aggregation from sum to count or distinct count, depending on your needs. Change the card title to Total Orders, and now you have an accurate measure of total order volume. Let's do the exact same thing to find our customer count. Create a card, drag in customer name, set the aggregation to distinct count, and rename it to Total Customers. Now our dashboard proudly includes 5 essential metrics: total sales, total profit, total quantity sold, total orders, and total customers. Together, these cards offer a fantastic high-level picture of business health before diving into detailed charts. One of the best features of card visuals is how seamlessly they respond to interactive filters. Let's add a simple slicer to our canvas using the region field. If you're new to slicers, check out our full slicer tutorial, linked in the description below. Now, watch what happens when I click on a specific region in the slicer. Every single card automatically updates and recalculates its numbers on the fly, based on that region filter. This dynamic cross-filtering lets decision makers analyze different regions, product categories, or time periods instantly, without needing multiple report pages. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick best practices to keep in mind when using card visuals in your own reports. First, reserve cards strictly for your top-tier, most critical KPIs. Keep your titles short, clear, and easy to understand. Use large, high-contrast text for numbers, so they're instantly readable across the screen. Always maintain uniform formatting and colors across every card on the page. And finally, avoid cluttering your layout. A clean, spacious dashboard is always much easier to digest. And that wraps up our complete guide to creating and formatting card visuals in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.